guys, this is kind of like what I like to do when it's gloomy out, raining. I definitely love to cook, you know. All right, just looking at the turkey tails. They look real good, and it smells so good up in here, y'all. With all this rain, get ready to put the lima beans in a minute. So guys, I got 2 different pickle juices that was in the fridge. I'm gonna be marinating the chicken in that. We're actually having chicken thighs. So you can use, I'm using some pickle juice. One time I used jalapeno juice. What do you call it? Banana pepper. So anything. This is just a tenderizer. Is this what this does to the chicken? And it also brings out the other flavors. So this is what I'm going to be using on our chicken thighs today to let them marinate. As you can see, there is the chicken thighs marinating inside of the pickle juice. And of course, you know you're not going to reuse this pickle juice, so please do not save it or anything like that. Please get rid of it. But they're marinating. I'm going to start putting some other spices onto the chicken as well. So guys, here is the chicken thighs. They are getting ready to go in the fridge. As you can see, we get ready to go in the fridge until they are ready to be fried. So guys, I got all the stuff for our cornbread. As you can see, we all good to go there. So now all I'm doing, I got my nice mixture added to the cornmeal mix. So I'm making our muffins. Y'all, they're gonna be so good. So here it is, guys. This is my rainy day meal. Spicy fried chicken, rice, okra, lima beans, and turkey, smoked turkey tail, and some good old muffins. So this is my rainy day meal, guys. Y'all see that? All right, y'all. So gonna bite into my turkey first. Ooh, it's hot. Well, I was going to, but whatever. Look at that. So good. Okra. The chicken. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. And I hope you guys enjoyed my rainy day meal with me. Come back to see our channel, the Saki fam. I'll be back with more videos. I'm about to finish packing my face. Go and take a shower and put on my PJs.